welcome to Wisdom Squared, September 4th, 2017. This is not financial advice, it's merely my opinion. And today I want to talk to you a little bit about what the Rothschild Investment Trust is doing. This information is courtesy of Holdings Channel, and what they've been up to is they've been buying a lot of energy, and they're buying energy out of Brazil. They're buying a company that deals predominantly with oil, natural gas, and the energy industry, and they've been selling off their shares of U.S. stocks. So this is pretty interesting. For energy's been depressed for such a long time, and this information I'm reading to you was from June 30th, 2017. But they're buying up lots of energy-based products. And with energy so low, especially after the highs that we've seen about 10 years ago, now we're at significant lows. And to complicate these matters even more is that there's more de-dollarization that accelerates the story coming out of Zero Hedge. And basically what happened is China is going to be doing yuan-denominated contracts that are going to be convertible into gold. This is going to be huge moves and huge problems for the Western world. So basically countries that want to avoid the dollar, meaning Russia, Iran, or Venezuela, they're now going to be able to trade with China and have it backed by gold, which is enormous. The Shanghai Futures Exchange and the Shanghai Energy Exchange (INE) is going to have crude oil futures that are going to be set up by the end of the year. So as the United States continues to put sanctions on all these countries, especially Russia, Iran, China, and Venezuela, you can start to see this massive swing that's moving over to the east. Coupled that with debatably the richest family in the world that has made these moves in energy. So we could see extremely expensive energy prices coming to the rest of the world, and that's the way that they've positioned themselves. They've also positioned themselves to see a pretty substantial sell-off in the stock market. And I mean, this is what happens. You have something that's at a record high, which is our stock market, and something that's been completely battered, which is energy prices. So they sell off at the top and they go and buy something that's completely battered. Then you'll see these prices creeping all the way up again, and they're going to make money hand over fist. This is how people in rich families that have been doing this for a long, long time. I would not be surprised within a year or so if we have oil prices back up to their peak, back up to $148, $150 a barrel. Now these people that have been driving their SUVs, they're going to be selling them as quick as they possibly can and buying Priuses and electric vehicles. So the cycle always seems to repeat, and sometimes history doesn't repeat to the T, but it will rhyme. And I think that's what we have happening here, and some pretty interesting moves. So stay tuned. Thank you very much.